Hey guys, Kate here from the Chiro Tree, and today I'm going over how to use a massage ball to release your hips and back area. So first of all, grab a massage ball. If you don't have a massage ball, of course you can use a spiky ball or a tennis ball, whatever you have at home, will be absolutely fine. Of course, the firmer the ball is, the more tense the release is going to get. So what we want to do today is for people having low back issues is we're going to target the glute area, and also you can target some of the lower back muscles. So I'm going to do it laying down. However, what you can do is also lean it up against the wall. It's just a slightly less intensity. Either way, you're going to get the ball and you're going to just sort of roll around like this, and you'll feel a couple of tight spots. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean into the ball, and it'll just feel like someone who's got their elbow in there, okay? So at the moment, I'm sort of just rolling it around like this. However, I'm using my body weight to do the trick, and I'll feel those tight spots. I might even come a bit more onto the side so I can start to get down sort of this side leg here as well, which feels really nice, and they're always super tight on most people. And then of course, if you want to target the back, you want to avoid the spine, and you want to go for your two meaty muscles either side of your spine. And again, just going to put the ball down, lay onto it, and then I'm going to roll up and down just like this, and then I'm going to move over the ball and feel a really nice release. Of course, you want to do it on both sides. Doesn't matter how long you do it for, just enough until you feel some tension and then move into the next spot. I recommend you release with the ball every 2 to 3 days, just to give your muscles a bit of a chance to relax in between. That's a really nice way to get rid of some muscle tension building up around your lower back. Give it a go. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, enjoy.